Well, hey everybody, welcome back to Haggett Hill. Got a little milling project today. Gonna start working on a staircase for my bonus room over the garage. And I'm gonna build the stair treads out of 2-inch cedar, probably 2x10, 2x11, 2x12, whatever I can get, at least 2x10. But while I'm building, I don't want to be walking up and down on the cedar, so I've got some oak. I'm gonna probably slice up about 1.25 inches or so just to use for temporary stair treads. So I'm gonna be cutting some oak today and hopefully some cedar as well. I got to go down the hill to my stash and get a couple pallets because I want to put them together and make a nice level flat surface that I can stack this lumber on, especially the cedar. It needs to dry a few months, but watch along as we get started on this milling project today. Got this one on the mill. If you can see it, it's kind of a banana shaped log. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start by flattening off the top surface, try to get at least a decent cant out of it, and then my goal is to try to get some 1x10s, 1x11s, 1x12s, whatever I can get out of it. I'm going to use these for temporary stair treads whenever I build my staircase so I don't mess up my cedar. Then I can use this oak lumber for something else later on. So let's see how we do. Okay, so I've edged these boards out. Get you where you can see it. That's the quarter sawn look, even though I flat sawed all these boards. I didn't worry about the pith messing up any of the boards because these are just going to be some temporary stair treads, and then I'm just going to use them for whatever when I'm done. I'm going to cut them down into 4-foot sections because my cedar that I'm going to use on my staircases, I don't want to put it down right after I get the staircases built, because I'm still going to be finishing out that room. I'm going to be carrying materials back and forth up and down the stairs, and I don't want to mark up the cedar, so I'm going to use this oak temporarily, and once I get the room finished, then I'll put the cedar on. Here's my lumber after it's stacked and stickered. I end up with 6 boards that are about 1 1/8 by, let's see what they are. 1 1/8 by 10, and I'm going to use these for stair treads. I only need like 15 stair treads that are 4 foot long, so I'll have plenty left over. Well, thanks for watching along with me as I milled up these boards today. I always appreciate when you stop by Haggett Hill to see what's going on. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. I try to answer each and every one of them, and it sure helps the channel grow. I do appreciate each and every viewer, and I thank you for stopping by Haggett Hill. Come back and see us again sometime, and as always, God bless you and your family.